progressed through expert systems and the emergence of deep learning. Today, we see the rise of agentic AI and enterprise-scale AI adoption. To get started with AI platforms, we will introduce major tools like ChatGPT and Claude. You'll learn to create accounts, navigate interfaces, understand AI responses, and practice having meaningful conversations. Each AI platform has a distinct role. Claude is the thoughtful writer. Perplexity AI is the research assistant. Gemini is the Google expert. And ChatGPT is the great all-rounder. AI is a powerful tool, like a super smart intern, but it's not a mind reader. The quality of your output is a direct reflection of the quality of your input. This is the art of asking. The prompt engineering framework is the new competency. High-quality output is achieved by clearly defining the goal, providing context, specifying the source, and setting expectations. To transform requests into effective prompts, first, assign a role, such as, quote, hiring manager. Then, use driven prompting by identifying the problem, analyzing causes, and proposing solutions, like creating a performance tracker for HR teams. Avoid common prompting mistakes. Don't be too vague. Focus on a specific event. Avoid information overload. Break tasks into smaller steps. Always specify constraints like format and length, and define ambiguous instructions like make it better. You can build reusable prompt templates for common tasks. The template allows you to fill in the blanks for the role, audience, task, tone, and format, helping you create consistent and high-quality outputs. AI can be applied to everyday corporate tasks across various departments. This includes HR for resume screening, sales for lead prioritization, finance for expense categorization, operations for task automation, and leadership for meeting summaries and strategic modeling. When prompting for emails, consider the type. For a formal email, request a meeting with a client using a polite tone and suggesting time slots. For an informal email, summarize project progress with a teammate, keeping it friendly and concise.
From data seeds to AI expertise, contact us at contact@databloomaiandtech.com.